everyone, my name is Ahmed Faisal Alradi. I am from grade 4A, and today I will be speaking about computer hardware. What is a computer hardware? Computer hardware is the physical components that a computer system requires to function. It encompasses everything with a circuit board that operates within a PC or a laptop. Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer, such as the case, central processing unit, CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard, computer, data storage, graphics card, sound card, speakers, and motherboard. What is a CPU? The CPU sends signals to control the other parts of the computer, almost like how a brain controls a body. The CPU is an electronic machine that works on a list of computer things to do called instructions. It reads the list of instructions and runs each one in order. The computer monitor. What is a computer monitor? A computer monitor is an electronic device that shows pictures. For computers, monitors often look similar to televisions. A monitor usually comprises the display device, circuitry, casing, and power supply. The mouse. What is a mouse? Computer mouse is an input device that is used with a computer. Moving a mouse along a flat surface can move the cursor to different items on the screen. Items can be moved or selected by pressing the mouse buttons. Keyboard. What is a keyboard? Computer keyboard is an input device that allows a person to enter letters, numbers, and other symbols. These are called characters in a keyboard. Into a computer, it is one of the most used input device of computer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked my presentation.